Hello everyone, I'm Flexi 3D, and today, I want to show you my Easter 2024 3D printing designs. What you're seeing is an articulated egg. It's a print in place, no supports model, that flexes a lot. This is Flexi Easter Bunny. It flexes ears back and forward, giving nice cute effect. You can print it white and paint later, or directly in multicolor. And this is Easter Egg Pushpin, inspired by Pushpin's desktop toys. That brings the timeless charm, Pushpin toys into the festive season. Printed this in multicolor. For better look, make sure you have good adhesion and tuned printer to avoid issues. You can also print in one color. Print in place design ensures no assembly and immediate fun. Right off the print bed, you have download links in the description below. Get them all for free now. And for some egg hunting, this is a model I made last year, the Eggunny. This adorable bunny has a body that's shaped like an egg and can be printed in different parts and colors. And the last is cute bunny key holder, wall hook with moving ears. Easy and funny way to store your keys. Hope you liked them. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and remember, subscribe to my Flexi 3D YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy printing!